Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to embed a Pinterest feed on a WordPress website. Step 1. Create your widget. Start by opening the Mirror app website. Sign up or log in if you already have an account. Then click Create New Widget. Choose Pinterest feed from the widget options. Step 2. Customize the design. Select the source you want to connect and go to the Design section to edit what you want to display on your website. Once your feed is connected, you can customize how it looks. Adjust the layout, card style, spacing, and other design settings to match your website. When everything looks right, click the Publish button and copy the installation code in just one click. Step 3. Add it to WordPress. Log into your WordPress account and click the Edit Site button. In the editor, click the plus button and choose the Custom HTML option. Paste the installation code from Mirror app into the Custom HTML block. Place it where you want the widget to appear on the page and save your changes. Done. The widget will now appear on your website. Please note that some custom code options in WordPress may depend on your current plan. For more information, visit our Help Center and explore the links in the description.